Kinong hikay SSA hapo kalama jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Association hakas ngi hatmajay jong ka tayo kila Pynlong ya ka program ha usosotham auditorium hakaba kil ai kublay bat penkuburom ya ka Sorkar Jylla halor ka jing treshitam banweng ya ka jing jong kinong hikay SSA ha ka Jylla. Kinong hikay SSA kila Pynlong ya ka program kum kadak man penpaw ya ka sngewnguh ya ka Sorkar Jylla kabala tray klem song than nakabanta banweng ya ka jing jong kinong hikay ha ka Jylla. Hakane ke jingialang Presiden ke MSSASA uba Aristotle Rumbai ula IT ke dorkas HU advisor ke tenat puli puthi ke Sorkar Jylla uba Meghalaya muktan sangplyang ban pen ken mau halo ke jingdawa ban thungkam purano bat ban pen kiuno ya ke tulop jong kinong hikai SSA. Habakran hak jingialang uba Meghalaya sangplyang ulaong bahaki sansnem ki belalan kinong hikai ki jui ki kamera kelas bat mi sesurak bandawa ya ke hok kabaki deban yo bat ketulop bat ru ke area ke Sorkar MDA 1 hapo ke jingalam jo menteri rangba ukon rat sangma kala persang ban lekat bala ban weng ye kini ki jing bat menta ke Sorkar MDA 2 tang hapadang ki hendriu benai kala la ban weng ya baro ki jing jong kinu hikai Hakabia day bat kedorkas kabala ai da ke MSSASA uba sang pliang ulong bayakan ni kedorkas enpa syak education commission jong ke Jylla bakan bisar bat ban pet benya kenang bakan yok pa ya ke jing ajing mud syak Sorkar Jylla. Hakabia day bat ke jing dawa ban pen kiu tulam uba sang pliang ulong bat ndala dap ban pen scam ya ke kam kumta en saya keren pat hakabia day bat ke jing pen kiu tulam.
Yeah, see, if we go according to the guidelines and framework of SSA, and also as per the iaka, we the SSA teachers should entitle the salary means at par with regular teachers. But at present, we are getting a fixed pay, that is 19,044 for lower primary and 20,493 for upper primary teachers. But as per rule and guidelines and also as per iaka, as I have mentioned, our salary should be at par with regular teachers. So we are requesting the state government to look into this matter. Yeah, today memorandum actually we have submitted regarding one issue, that is to regularize the service of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. So it is actually a reminder of the memorandum which we have submitted earlier to the government. I think all of you are aware that last year July we have indefinite sit-in demonstration in the additional secretariat. Where at that time the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong have invited us for a talk, and on that meeting decision has been taken that this issue will be addressed in the state means by the State Education Commission, which will be constituted by the government at that time. So now the government have already constituted the State Education Commission, and we hope, as highlighted today by our honorable special guest M. Changplyang, and we hope that this issue, that is regularization of SSA teachers and also the enhancements of our salary, will be addressed by the State Education Commission at the earliest possible.